Hi, this is Voices for Learning, where we help you grow as a voice actor. My name is Susan Fouché. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to change your keyboard shortcuts to something that makes a little bit more sense for you. So here we go. So here I am in Studio One, and I have recorded this big old long 7-minute and 40-second e-learning course. And my client wanted me to break it up into smaller audio files to send to him. And so I went ahead and put my markers in. But right now, the standard keyboard shortcut, like that just comes by default in Studio One to put a marker in is, let me show you what it is. I'm going to put my cursor where it's supposed to go. If I put a marker in, that's just simply transport to insert marker, and you can see that the keyboard shortcut is Shift Y. Now, for me, that doesn't work. I can't remember Shift Y. What makes more sense for me, since I use markers all the time, is to have a easier keyboard shortcut for me to remember. And that would be really the insert key, because I insert markers all the time. So the way that you change your keyboard shortcuts is you simply go to the Studio One menu, and then you'll see down at the bottom keyboard shortcuts. So to find what that keyboard shortcut is and to change it, I simply just do a search right here on the left-hand side of this little window that's popped up. And so I want to change my insert marker keyboard shortcut. So I simply just type in marker, and here all of my different selections pop up. If you don't see insert marker, then just kind of scroll up, and here you'll see, here's all the marker keyboard shortcuts. So I look, delete, go to next marker, previous, insert. I want to change the keyboard shortcut to insert a marker from Shift Y to just the insert key. So to do that, I just make sure that this part, Enter key, is actually selected, that I've clicked inside it. And I go and I just simply hit on my keyboard the Insert key. And there it is, INS, stands for Insert. And then the next step is I'm going to assign it. And there it is. All right, then I just simply apply it, okay it, boom, and there it is. So now when I hit the Insert key on my keyboard, my cursor's right where it needs to be, there it is. And I think personally, Insert just works a lot better for me rather than Shift Y. I don't know why they would do that. Insert just makes more sense. So to change any of your keyboard shortcuts, just follow that simple rule, and you'll see that there's a ton of keyboard shortcuts in there. If you use Studio One all the time, like I do, I mean, it's my go-to DAW. I sometimes use Audacity, but I 95% of the time use Studio One. You're going to want to assign keyboard shortcuts that just make sense for you. And the way that you find them is you just search for them, and then you just simply assign a new key to it, and that's it. So I hope you utilize this. Please subscribe to this channel. I'm a growing channel. I could use your support. And leave a comment, especially if you have a keyboard shortcut that you use for something, or you just think like, wow, this would make my life so much easier if I could have a keyboard shortcut that made more sense than, whatever the default one is in Studio One. Leave that as a comment too. But thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Keep going. You're doing great. I'll see you soon. Bye.